Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt taste like mayo. This simple guide helps you create a fantastic, healthier alternative to traditional mayonnaise, perfect for sandwiches, dips, or dressings. We'll use readily available ingredients to achieve that familiar creamy texture and tangy profile you love. Get ready to enjoy a lighter, yet equally flavorful, condiment in just a few minutes. It's a wonderful way to reduce calories and fat without sacrificing taste. For our base, grab 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. Its thickness is key. Next, we'll incorporate 2 tablespoons of a neutral-flavored oil, such as light olive or avocado oil, to provide that characteristic richness. To achieve the essential tangy kick, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to perfectly balance the flavors. Begin by combining your 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in a bowl. Whisk these ingredients vigorously for about 1 minute until the mixture becomes wonderfully smooth and uniform. For an extra creamy texture, an immersion blender works wonders for about 30 seconds. Always taste and adjust the seasonings to your preference, ensuring perfect balance. To elevate your yogurt mayo, consider adding 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a zesty kick, or a pinch of garlic powder for savory depth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, gradually stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or milk until it reaches your desired texture. Store your delicious homemade creation in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy this versatile, healthier condiment in all your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.